Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Kiana, and welcome back to another vlog. So I made a little bit of breakfast. I'm gonna end up going to the gym soon. I just want a little bit of fuel, but I had just an egg on toast and this chicken jalapeno sausage, which if you go to Trader Joe's for your groceries, I highly recommend you get this. I'm basically gonna write out my little to-do list right now. I'm gonna go to the gym at 10. I'm going with my friend Yatish. It's been really nice to reconnect with friends after college and I don't know, after the pandemic, I didn't talk to as many people, but I tried to get closer to the people that I was friends with. Yeah, we're basically going to his gym, and I think that's gonna be good to start to the morning. I think I'm gonna take some pre-workout today. This is my Google Sheets layout. I just have week by week. Gonna be taking a little bit of pre-workout. I've been taking dry scoops, but I almost choke on them every single time. I just take about a half a scoop. If I go any more, I'm literally itchy. Bye, Oreo. Got to the gym.
Hi everyone, we're vlogging today.
This is Yatish. So we are doing leg day today. That workout was so good. I feel kind of dirty though. I wish I could wash my hands, but I didn't bring hand sanitizer. Did a full-on leg workout. We were trying to do 5x5 squats. 165 was too much for me, I realized, and 155 was doable, but it was good to try 5x5s and do 155 and try to just see if I could build up at that weight. But yeah, today was really good. I'm gonna go home and make myself a protein shake. It is time to get some food in me. I'm starving. I wanted to go get some home organization stuff from the Container Store. I'm gonna go home, shower, put on makeup. I'm just gonna put on my favorite playlist. The one that I'm working on now is my 2021 playlist. I feel like I've exhausted so many different playlist names that I don't have many ideas left, but if you want to check them out, go follow me on Spotify. Ava Gutowski, she came out with her song Left and Right, and I'm actually really here for it. We were so good. We have some shit to do. Let's go home. Been a minute. I have showered already. I had my protein shake as you guys saw, but some time has literally just passed by pretty fast. It's already 4 p.m. I said this was gonna be a productive vlog, but it's kind of turning into a productive / self-care vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some makeup. So first thing, Super Goop sunscreen. This has been my favorite thing ever. My friend Lynn actually introduced me to this. It's their original Super Goop Play sunscreen. It's their everyday lotion. I haven't been wearing foundation anymore because I just like to wear concealer, and I just find that that's a way better combination. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys like to do on the weekends? What's your go-to thing? Do you usually hang out with your friends on the weekends? Or do you end up staying home a lot? I typically like to hang out with somebody at least once every weekend. Just have a fun excursion or do something. Something I kind of wanted to talk about was when you live at home after college, I feel it's definitely easy to feel disconnected and a little lonely sometimes because, I don't know, when you go on Instagram, you just see everybody doing a bunch of stuff on the weekends and you're at home. I actually watched Natalie Barbu's vlog about living alone recently, and even though I don't live alone, I have my family, I still have those similar feelings sometimes. I don't know, life would be really different if I were living with friends and stuff, but seeing a bunch of people doing fun stuff when you're only really seeing the fun stuff, and there could be a ton of people that aren't posting anything and that aren't doing anything, but you wouldn't see it obviously because they're not posting anything. So it's kind of like obviously a little toxic sometimes. There are definitely times where I feel like, oh, I'm not living to my fullest potential. On the days where I don't have plans to see anybody, I could feel a little lonely or just like disconnected. I'm gonna put on some concealer. This is really funny. I'm literally doing my makeup at 4:30. The day is almost over, y'all. But I'm trying to extend it and make it feel like this day isn't over. So I've been loving this concealer again. It's the Born This Way from Too Faced. I was a big stan. Y'all, I always get a pimple right in between my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup, and then we're probably gonna go ahead to the store. So I ended up ordering from Skims for the first time, and I was really excited about it, and it's actually the shirt that I'm wearing right now. I'm obsessed with the shirt. It is this really pretty sage green color. I wanted to show you guys everything that I got on so you could see how my experience was with it. Yeah, I thought this would be interesting to show because Skims, very popular right now, and I was just really excited to see how it would work on me and how the material was. So the first thing that I got is this cotton rib tank in the shade Mineral. Really pretty color. It's not like that buttery soft material or anything, but it is very stretchy and it feels like good quality. It's a very flattering cut. So I really thought that extra small was going to be my size because everything is supposed to be super stretchy, and this is the only thing that worked out. So the other thing that I got was this t-shirt, and this is the cotton jersey t-shirt in rose clay, hoping that it was going to be super buttery, but I don't really like the material that much. Just the cut of this, I didn't expect it to look so choking. Now, this thing is way too tight on me. Maybe if I sized up too small, it would have looked okay, but I still feel like, not my favorite fit. So this is the third top, and this is actually a bra. Like I said, I just ordered the wrong size. I think I'm gonna head to the Container Store now, and also Sephora. Even though you know what top I'm wearing. Outfit of the night. My favorite Levi's shorts. I'm honestly kind of growing out of them a bit. They're a little tight. It's this poly bag with the chain on it. Hello guys, so I'm in the Container Store. I think I'm gonna get a little tray for my bathroom because I have stuff that's just sitting there. I got everything I really wanted on this trip. Whoa. So I ended up getting this tray from the Container Store. I was wanting something that was white and big enough for all the things on my counter. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to be putting on here because I feel like it could look messy if I just put a bunch of junk on here. Like you guys already saw, but I got another notebook. This is my favorite little notebook. It's a good size. So I got that in green, and I'm super excited about the Moroccan oil from Sephora. I want to go head over to Aritzia in the mall. I didn't realize people went out on Sundays. Like, isn't it a work night? Home from the mall. That was honestly such an excursion. Going to things like that, that's a lot of work. But now I'm taking my dog on a walk because I just wanted to enjoy the scenery because sun was setting as soon as I got home and it looked so nice. Look at that. This is just what I need. Like, I need to get out more. You guys saw what I just had for dinner. It was really good. I've been loving to make that recently. It's just tuna bowl. It's kind of like a poke bowl, but without the raw fish, you know, like similar vibe, same, like cucumber rice, all that type of stuff, and it's super good. I got inspiration on that from Whitney Simmons, actually. She posted on her story when I thought it looked really good, and it was so easy. So that's definitely a good meal if you are a fan of tuna. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my room a little bit and just prepare for tomorrow. We have a nice fresh work week starting tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be picking up the vlog camera again this upcoming weekend for my birthday. I'm really excited to just show you guys what I'm doing. It's gonna be very chill, but I'm just excited to see my friends. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.